hundreds of pro-Palestinian protesters forced the temporary closure of Grand Central Terminal during the Friday evening rush as they staged a massive sit-in inside the station's concourse, leading to dozens of arrests. Hundreds of protesters were arrested after the sit-in demanding a ceasefire between Israel and Hamas. The protesters, wearing black t-shirts reading "Ceasefire now" and "Not in our name," unfurled banners calling for freedom of Palestinians and an end to the bombardment of Gaza. "No more weapons, no more war. Ceasefire is what we are fighting for," they chanted, punching the air. Banners were hung from the concourse, sweeping staircase, and across the departure board. The New York Police Department said it had arrested at least 200 protesters at the rally, which led to the temporary closure of the station. The massive sit-in was called by the group Jewish Voice for Peace, New York City, an anti-Zionist group which said thousands of its members had attended the protest, blocking the main concourse of the city's Central Rail Station. Hundreds of Jews and allies are getting arrested in what is likely the biggest mass civil disobedience New York City has seen in 2 decades, the group wrote in a post on Instagram. Organizers call the peaceful sit-in the largest civil disobedience New York City has seen in 20 years. The rally in New York came hours after Israel said its military was stepping up its air and ground attacks on the besieged Palestinian enclave of Gaza and cut off communication networks. The latest violence erupted after Hamas launched a surprise assault on Israel on October 7, killing at least 1,400 people and taking some 200 Israelis and foreigners captive. Israel responded by declaring war and launching a relentless bombardment of the territory, which is home to about 2.3 million people. At least 7,326 Palestinians have been killed in the attacks.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.